Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Let's create Polaroid effect. Click on templates, search Polaroid in the search box. Here you will get ready to use options for Polaroid frames. Choose any template that you want. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe for more amazing design tutorials. It's an easy way to add Polaroid effect, and also you can print these designs. Now let's see on full screen.